Hey guys, and welcome back to part 5 of the Instagram bot series. Today I'm going to be doing things a bit differently because I've actually already coded the functions that we're going to be looking at today. So instead of coding along, I've already coded them now, and I'm just going to talk you through each one. So the first function that I created is a function called comment post, which is a function that comments on the first photo uh, with a specified hashtag. So I'm just going to run that so you can see what I mean. So we say bot.comment post, and let's say the hashtag that we want to post to is going to be healthy lifestyle, and let's just run it. So let's just log ourselves in here and comment on the post. But there's actually an issue. I actually forgot to add a comment there. I have to actually add a string which we're going to comment. So let's type in a string which is going to be our comment, and let's actually rerun that. So it's navigated to the hashtag now, and let's click the first photo, and hopefully it comments our comment, and it does. So that basically just comments our comment, and what we're doing in this function is we go back to Instagram and we go back to, let's just go back to our page. Let's type in healthy lifestyle here. So what we were doing is first navigating to this URL with bot dot. What we did was we got the URL of the tag specified, and then after we navigate to the first photo, or we find the element of the first photo, which is this. What we do is click it, photo.click, and then we sleep. And then once that's done, what we're doing is finding this comment button, which is this button here, comment button, and we're just clicking that so we can open up the comment field. And after that, we're just sending our string to the field and then clicking post. So we can see that here. All we're doing is sending the keys, send keys, comment, and this is the string that we put in here. And then we just click the post button. And the next function is comment user post, and it basically just does the same thing, but it comments on the first post of a user or the latest post, and it does pretty much the same thing. So I'm not going to go through it again. And then the third function is just the define comment users posts, and this will comment on the first post of multiple users, so you don't have to type comment user post for each user. So down here I've actually got an example here of us passing a list into define comment users, and then for each person in the list we are commenting on their latest post, and the comment is going to be great content on every single post. So we can just quickly run it. And guys, I have already uploaded this the source code to my GitHub profile, so the link will be below in the description. So if you just want to copy it or use it, just follow that link and it will all be there. But let's just do a quick demonstration. So the first thing we're just doing now is getting a list of followers, just so we can get a list basically. So we should comment on this guy's photo, great content, and post. There we go. And let's see if it works on the next one too, just to make sure. There we go. And I'm going to stop this now so we don't end up commenting on everybody's posts. So let's just press Control C and actually kill the process. And Yeah, one more thing. I did put in a try and accept block here, uh, for the user post, because some users have a private profile, and then you can't see the first photo, and that will break the code. So that's why that is there. And yeah, if you want, I just did one photo, but if you have any more suggestions for anything, like if you want comments for like 3 photos, then just let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, have a good day.